Hey guys, I hope you're well. I don't know how many interruptions I'm going to have here because Blitzen's in the house crying because he senses my energy. As I've been out here petering around with the block on a rock, and oh boy, hang on. Okay, I confess, sometimes I do wrench in my socks. All right, sorry about the other day more, guys. Man, Blitzen's not gonna have it. The boy needs a little love, and we can't go for our walk tonight because it's so rainy out there. Want to say hi, fellas? One moment. Here we go. I recorded segments when I went for a drive to Tractor Supply today for parts for Jed for the block of rock. The Franken rock. Franken block? Shit, I don't know. You guys name it. I don't know what the hell to call it. Anyway, man, I needed a few things, went to Tractor Supply, whipped out my phone and recorded some segments so that you can meet Bad Blowzo. Bad Blowzo's got two issues on his mind. And since the issues arose here at my landfill, I'm going to address the issues here at my landfill and let you guys meet Bad Blowzo. Now, it's tempting to break into my script. Is it a script? No, just notes. And but no, I'm going to those talking points. We'll talk about those tomorrow. I'll go for a ride somewhere. And Blitzen senses my energy, guys. And I have been exuding this energy for the last couple days. I will say this, man, guys, my number 9 union video, oh boy, that knocked me back, man. That one knocked me back. I felt horrible afterwards. I felt that, unfortunately, the music I chose, I love that song by John Lennon. I don't need to say any more, man. Sorry, John. Rather unfortunate. And after my number 9 union video came, oh, Blitzen, please, please. See, guys, he can sense it. He hears it coming out of me. After that, the next video, I've been going through some shit. I receive SSDI. I receive Social Security disability income, and for a reason. And pretty much going through a lot of shit. You know, cardiac surgeries and heart attacks and strokes and that kind of thing that retirees oftentimes play with, experience. It's all part of growing up, still growing up. And that video, What is Life? My God. that video pretty much summarizes everything my struggling mind is dealing with. What is life? What is death? What is Blitzy trying to do to me? I was all ready to go. I was ready to rock, Doc. Stay tuned. I'll be back. I've got to go for a ride. Guys, I hope you're well. There's going to be some changes coming here to the old landfill. I hope you're well. Take care. Talk to you later. I'm coming, Blitzy. Bye, guys. Okay, phone. Feels like old times. Bye, guys.